How to download Google Authenticator on Android and iPhone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Play Store on your Android phone. If it's iPhone, open your App Store and click on the search button at the bottom right corner. Then click on search at the top and search Google Authenticator. Click on Google Authenticator and then click on install. After you've clicked on install, the application will be installed on your device. Click on open, press on get started at the bottom, and then log in with any Google account you want by clicking on continue as your Google account, and then you're good to go. This is how to download Google Authenticator or Android and iPhone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.